Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2018 at Jacob Co, looking at the newest iteration of the Astronomia. This is the Astronomia Maestro. The Maestro has everything that the Astronomia used to have, now with a cathedral-style minute repeater. The case is different, so it is now 50 millimeters wide and 26 millimeters tall. This one's in gold. And you can see actually the gong assembly right through the sapphire crystal side of the case, which is fantastic. They have moved the time up closer to the crystal, which I like because it makes it a little bit more legible. And around is a spinning mechanism, which is sort of the signature Astronomia complication. It has a spinning replica of the Earth, which is very attractive. Now they have a little moving astronaut, which is really cool. Here they have a little sort of star display, and there's a diamond, and the diamond has two sides, and this represents the moon phase indicator. And then you have here a tourbillon. There's two axis points here, and then because the entire assembly moves, you can call it a triple axis tourbillon. Let's hear the minute repeater in action because it's quite a nice one. I'm going to remove my headset. So as you can tell, this is a very complete minute repeater with a lot of gongs and hammer work going on to make it sound really cool. There's a lovely bass that the watch comes with. Let's put it on the wrist. You can see how large it is, but it wears very comfortably actually. Price for the Jacob & Company Astronomia is 680,000 Swiss francs, and you can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.